It's a punto.
No, it's a blue corsa.
Is it a corsa? I thought it was a punto. It might be s1000r's. Where has he gone? It was a 1.2 punto, or it might have just been a 1 litre. It's still there. Go on, you've got to get him. He's up there. You've got to get him, he's up there. No, he was at the top of this hill then.
No way.
If I have to zip my jacket up. Oh, that shit me up then.
Guys turned off, I'm telling you where all that stuff was.
Nah, he's at the top of the hill. Yeah, he's stuck in that traffic now in front of us.
No way, I can't believe that.
We need to go and see the size of his exhaust. It's just a little corsa.
54 plate corsa, motor. And it's a chip.
No, it's not.
It's a chip.
If it is, I'm gliding into the bushes now. Nah, it's not.
A diesel corsa.
Oh, he's turning off. That's a shame. Oh no, we're going that way.
Carry on, we're going. Come on.
It's a guy, he keeps looking in his mirror. And I think the Volvo's having it as well. I thought, oh, we think he might be racing with a Volvo. I have to zip my bloody jacket up for this. Size of the combine harvesters. Is he indicating to let me pass? It's an old guy.
No, it's not.
It is. I think I only overtook him because he had his indicator on. I thought he was pulling over. Anyway, shown him.
Can't believe he just got smoked up a 1.4 diesel corsa.
Well, it's a driver, isn't it? Oh, it's bloody too hot.
Right here, I've got to go for a little bit.
Yeah, go on then.
This is where we come, right here.
We're going through Padstow.
They shoot us on a shower ready for a night out.
Oh yeah. Metropole.
Oh, you're going to be pumped there, man.
You are. There's a camper van coming.
Nothing for me that way.
Alright. Cheers, buddy.
Yeah, that is Rick Stein there. Come to you too.
There's Rick Stein. Oh, there's neutral to wake everyone up. Didn't mean that, everybody. That was some badonkadonk she had. I've never been this way, so I don't know where to go, Baz. Are we getting some to drink here, or? Oh, it's quite pretty, isn't it? Everyone all dressed up, not sweating like me.
Hey, yo.
St. Petrox. Oh, watch, don't drop that pizza. Well, that was Padstow, everyone.
No way it's pulling up there in full leather class.
I know, yeah, sweating, stinking.
You got anything coming?
No, you're alright. Oh, right, I'm going. Watch you don't go under that hay at the front. Go on, you're alright. You're clear. You're still clear. Right, there's something coming now. There you go. There you go. Sucking on diesel now, boy.
I don't know where we are here. I don't know what's seen that. I've never seen it, but I've not heard off.
Go on, go on.
Nice to get the heat down.
Yeah.
About 3 foot away.
Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the digits. Oh, mine's not working.
What's the 47 though?
47?
I've got 40 on the left, 47 on the right.
Nah.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, you bloody have. Where did you do that?
Just at that roundabout then, I didn't even get the knee down.
Sick of you getting 47. I was the first to get 47.
I didn't get my knee down, but I got my elbow down.
It's better than your brake lever down.
Oh, didn't go that much.
Get on the right hand side, Baz. There we go.
Got a ring?
You got any point?
Oh yeah.
What gear are we talking?
Second gear.
Oh, I don't want to do wheelies again. You're in second gear now?
Yeah.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, go.
Highway.
What
Are you
happened?
ready?
Yeah. On the bend?
3, 2, 1, go.
I didn't like it on the bend.
You got me.
Here he is. Hiya, mate. You got your cruise on?
Yeah. 57. That reminded me of America. And we're all in that lane by having a piss and all them people come on the back of that pickup truck.
Wait, that time when in LA when he went round the block?
No, when we were on that PCH1. And all them hillbillies.
Ah, right, yeah, all hillbillies. Who's going to be first to touch the handlebars?
Oh.
I'm catching you up here, I might have to slow it down. Oh. Did you give up?
Oh, I heard you said he's catching me up.
Let's see if we can get round this bend.
Still got it on cruise.
Get out of the way while I get round this bend no-handed. Oh.
What are you doing?
No, I was going to go round that bend no hands.
What, non-handed?
Yeah,
The wasting for?
I was going to. Quick demo how to use the lap timer, I think. So, there's the lap timer right there. You press your main beam button there, and that sets it. Starts it off. And you can reset it with the same button there. But only after. Is it 30 seconds, Baz? Or 25 seconds? You're not listening? Or has yours gone off? Anyway, it's 30 seconds I'm going to do it. So press that. And it's reset there. And that is the lap timer. Hold on.
Oh, I should have just overtook the fucking bus then.
Yeah, you should have. I got it short. Cheers, me old China. Oh, go on. Oh.
He was cool.
What's the bus doing letting everyone out?
Just overtake the bus, boy.
Did you not overtake it?
Oh.
Just overtake the bus, boy. It's only a bus. Oh,
Going right now.
it's diesel though, innit? Be careful. Getting smoked by a lot of diesels recently. And make sure it's not in rain mode. Anyway, what's the final thought?
I think I've just hit every grid on that road.
That can't be the final thought.
Don't let Jay take you to an airfield.
Yeah, that was basically a wasted journey, wasn't it?
God, the car will tip the new tyres and everything.
No, in fact, it was Matt's fault. He recommended it and said it's the best place